Welcome back, guys. My name is Amir, and in this episode, I want to show you how to use Stable Diffusion. Here, guys, from image to image tab, add your image. For prompt, you can copy paste my prompt or search and make your default. Okay, guys. Here, guys, enter the exact width and height of your photo here. Okay, nice. Now click on generate. Here, guys, to make it more like our own photo, we really use the noise storage. Nice, it's good. Guys, I like this seat and I set it, and now I'm going to change setting to like CFG scale, denoise storage or sample step for get best result I want. Guys, for sample step, you can set it to around 25 sampling, or this is good, but I want to change it to 150. Nice, guys. Here from save, you can download your image. Okay, guys, now I want to change prompt for understand more. Nice, thanks for watching, guys. Do subscribe for more.